Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're comparing Shortwave and Superhuman, two modern AI-powered email clients designed to make your inbox faster and smarter. Let's start with Shortwave. Shortwave is built by ex-Google engineers and acts as a modern Gmail layer. It uses AI to summarize long email threads, categorize important messages, and even draft quick replies. Reddit users love how it feels like and say that Gmail is supercharged. Some users actually says that Shortwave fixed everything wrong with Gmail's interface. AI summaries are a lifesaver. It is perfect if you're deep into Google Workspace and want AI organization without changing your main email provider. Now let's move on to Superhuman. Superhuman is a premium choice. It's lightning fast, beautifully minimal, and includes AI drafting, reminders, and shortcuts that make email handling feel effortless. But it costs $30 a month and still lacks deep Gmail integrations. Some Reddit users' threads call it polished but overpriced. Now, my final verdict would be if you want productivity and AI organization for Gmail, Shortwave is the best all-around choice. If you want design perfection and speed and don't mind paying premium, Superhuman still feels unbeatable. Overall best would be Shortwave for practicality and Superhuman for polish. And that's it. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.